Once setup is complete, installers will need to transfer the home to the homeowner. To transfer the home, navigate to the menu and select Homes to view the Homes list. Tap the settings icon of the home you wish to transfer. Please note that you can only transfer a home if you are the owner. Select whether you wish to transfer to an existing user or to someone else via a share link. If transferring to an existing user, a list of all current users in the home will appear. Select the user you wish to transfer the home to, and an invite will then be sent to them through a notification in the app. If transferring to a new user via a share link, available sharing options will appear depending on your device. An invite will be then sent through the selected method: SMS text, messaging app, AirDrop, etc. Once an invite to transfer the home has been sent, you can resend or cancel the invite. You will remain the owner of the home until the user assumes ownership. Download the app and sign in or create an account. If you were already a user on the home, you will automatically see an invitation to accept ownership in the app. If you were sent an invite via a share link, open the invitation you received and select Take Ownership. Select whether you wish to continue to the home or whether you would first like to manage any existing users of the home. You can manage any users and their access at any time through the Users list in the menu.